Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Asha. I hope you guys are doing good. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல என்ன வீடியோ பார்க்க போறோம்னா again preschoolers as well as nursery kids கான daily practice worksheet தான் பார்க்க போறோம். So இந்த worksheet பாத்தீங்கன்னா I have created for my son Sushan. So if your kids are around 2.5 to 4 years, then this worksheet will definitely help them. So in this worksheet, actually I have included some tracing patterns, drawing patterns, tracing worksheet, then some English worksheet, maths, logical thinking, as well as some EVS worksheet I have included. So I hope this worksheet will be useful for you guys to teach your sons or daughters, your kids. So if you like this worksheets and if you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and let's see the worksheets now. So the first worksheet is color, trace and draw. So here baby, first you have to color all the shapes, then you have to trace the shapes, then here you have to draw the shapes, okay? Color this baby. Take pencil and trace this. Take your pencil and trace it baby. Trace circle. Circle. Draw circle here. Okay, enough. Now color triangle. Take color pencil and color triangle.
Blue color.
Okay, now trace triangle. Draw triangle here. Slanting line, one sleeping line. Draw here. Okay, in the next worksheet baby, look here. You have to identify and paste the image with its starting letter, okay? Here I have given some alphabets and here are some pictures. You have to identify what picture it is and identify what letter it starts, then you have to stick it, okay? Okay, first what picture you have?
Ant.
What picture is this baby?
Ant.
Okay, ant starts with letter?
A.
Okay, stick where you have to stick.
A.
Enough. Stick ant there. Ant starts with letter A. Super. Take next picture baby. Next picture. Take next picture.
Apple.
Apple starts with letter
A.
Okay. Take it. Super. Next, take another picture baby. Okay, take next picture baby. What picture is that? Drums. Drum starts with letter
B.
B or D?
B.
It's not B, the drum. D. You have
D.
Okay, stick it. Super. Next, take another picture baby. Take another picture. Okay, take another picture baby. Banana starts with letter B. Banana. B for banana. Okay, so the next worksheet is ice cream 10 frames, okay? Here I have given ice cream cone and there are some numbers. You have to look at this number and color. You have to color it, okay? Color the box, check box, okay?
Check box.
Okay, in this ice cream what number is there?
3.
3, okay. Now you have to color 3 check box, okay?
This one.
Okay, do it. Count and do it. 1.
1,
Okay, go to next box.
3,
2. 2.
2, 3.
Super. Okay, next in this ice cream, which number it is? What number it is? 5. Okay, can you color 5 check box?
Yes.
Okay, do it. Count and do it. 1.
2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4,
Hmm.
5.
Super. Wait. Okay, in this cone, what number it is, baby?
7.
7. Okay, now you have to color 7 check box. Okay, count and do it. 1.
1, 2,
Hmm.
3,
Hmm.
4,
4. 5.
8, 6,
Hmm.
7.
Okay, super. Okay, in the next worksheet, baby, here I have given some patterns. Opposite also, patterns are available. You have to match the correct pattern, okay? Look and match it correctly. Take your pencil and do it. Match the first pattern. Super. Now second one. Third one. Super. This is plus heart. Super. In this worksheet, you have to help the car to reach its home, okay?
Okay.
Car is here. You have to follow this line and help it to reach its home. So in this next worksheet, I have given a boy face, okay? This boy is without any hair, okay, baby? Now what you have to do is you have to roll this dice, and whatever pattern you get, that you have to draw here, okay? You have to draw the pattern hair, okay, baby? Okay, roll this and draw the pattern. Roll it, baby.
Zigzag one.
Okay, draw it. Draw zigzag hair. Zigzag. Super. Next, roll it again. Roll it again, baby.
Let's see.
That's castle.
Castle.
Castle. Draw it, baby. It's another pattern. Draw it. Draw castle here. Do it. Doesn't look like castle, baby.
Yes.
Roll it again. Okay. Dots. Okay, enough. Now roll it again. Roll it, baby. Don't scribble. Roll it. Draw cloud here. Standing line. That's sleeping line, baby. You have to draw a standing line, standing here. Okay. Loop. Draw loop.
Loop nana.
दो बार. Okay. Draw here. Super. Okay. Okay, next one is circle the odd one out, okay? You have to look carefully and find which is odd, and you have to circle it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, first look at this and find the odd and circle it. Take your pencil first. First, what is this?
Apple.
Then?
Apple. Apple. Grapes. Apple.
So, which is odd?
This.
Okay, circle it. Okay, here. Can you tell me what all these?
Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Strawberry. Pumpkin.
Okay, which is odd here?
Strawberry.
Okay, circle it. Okay, baby, here you have to find which honeybee is far away from the tree, okay?
Okay.
What is this?
Hive.
Hive. Honeybee home is?
Hive.
Okay. First tell me which honeybee is near to hive.
This.
Okay, which is far away from hive?
This.
Okay, circle which is far away from hive. You have to circle far away honeybee, you have to circle. In this you have to color the correct half, okay?
Okay.
Here which half is I have colored it, baby? Which
Green.
color? Which half, baby? Left half or right half?
Red.
Right half. Okay. Here you have to find all the right half and color it, okay?
Okay.
You have to color the right half.
Okay.
Color it. Take color pen and do it. Take it. Color the right half. சின்னதா உள்ளே பண்ணுங்க, ஓகேவா? Do it. சின்னதா அழகா உள்ளே பண்ணுங்கம்மா. ஓகே, வெளியே வராம நீங்க பிக் பாய் ஆயிட்டீங்கல்ல, do it properly.
Okay.
Do it. Super. Next. These two are here, baby. They have not done it. Super. So I hope this video is useful to you guys, and if you like this video, please without fail subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.